Soft smile. Hi there, I'm Mary. And 1 year ago, I was a confused student scrolling online, wondering how I'd ever afford a master's degree abroad. No family collateral, no cosigner, no rich uncle, just me, and a dream to study in the US, and now I'm sitting here with a fully funded $89,000 MPOWER loan, finishing my degree, debt managed, stress gone, dream achieved. If you've ever thought, I wish that could be me, you're exactly who I made this video for. Because in this session, I'll walk you through how I discovered MPOWER, how their loan actually works, who can apply and how to qualify, the full online application process step by step, my personal tips from UDJ's Career Bootcamp, the emotional and practical lessons no one talks about, and how you can earn money, helping friends get funded too. So grab a notebook. This might just be the most valuable 20 minutes you spend today. Part 1, Discovering MPOWER. Let's start at the beginning. I first heard about MPOWER Financing from a friend in my university WhatsApp group. She mentioned that MPOWER gave her a loan without collateral. I didn't even believe her. Where I come from, that sounded impossible, but she showed me proof, an approval letter. I searched the website that night, MPOWERfinancing.com, and realized something incredible. They weren't a bank. They were a student-focused lender that partners directly with universities. Their mission? To help international students get education loans based on potential, not property. And that line, based on potential, hit me right in the heart. Part 2, Understanding how MPOWER works. Here's what makes MPOWER so different. They don't require collateral, co-signers, or even a U.S. credit history. Instead, they evaluate students on your university and degree program, your academic record, your future earning potential, that's it. If you're admitted to one of their partner schools, and you can show clear career goals, you're eligible. The loan size ranges from small top-ups all the way to $100,000 maximum. That's enough to pay for tuition, living costs, and travel. And because it's global, you can apply from any country. Part 3, Eligibility and Key Rules. Let's talk about who can apply, because this part is really important. You must be an international or DACA student studying in the US or Canada. Your program must be under 2 years long. That's master's, MBA, or certain diploma programs. STEM programs, science, tech, engineering, math, have a higher approval rate. They're career-ready and in demand. You must be enrolled or accepted into a partner university. And of course, you must be willing to share basic documents like your passport and admission letter. That's it. No land deeds, no cosigner from America, just you and your dream. Part 4, Step-by-step application process. Okay, this is the part I wish someone had explained to me earlier. Let me walk you through exactly how I applied. Step 1, visit the website, go to MPOWERfinancing.com and click Apply Now. Step 2, create your account. You'll make an account with your email and password. Keep it simple. Step 3, choose your university and program. You'll see a drop-down menu of approved schools. Select yours. If it's not there, don't panic. You can contact MPOWER support to verify eligibility. Step 4, fill out the online form. It takes around 20 minutes. They'll ask for details like your school and major expected graduation date, estimated tuition and expenses, how much you want to borrow. Step 5, upload documents. You'll need your admission letter, passport or ID, resume or CV statement of purpose or career plan, briefly explaining why your course matters to your future. Step 6, review and submit. Double check your email and phone number. That's how they'll contact you. Step 7, wait for review. You'll get updates in a few days. Most students hear back within 2-3 weeks. Part 5, my approval moment. I'll never forget it. It was a Wednesday night. I opened my laptop and saw, "Congratulations, Mary. Your MPOWER loan for $89,000 has been approved." I screamed. My roommate thought something terrible happened. But honestly, that email was the happiest message of my life. For the first time, I felt seen. Not by my grades, not by my income, but by my story. That's when I realized MPOWER isn't just a loan, it's a belief system. They bet on your potential. Part 6, the boot camp that changed my life. Now let's talk about something most students don't even realize comes with MPOWER. The P2S Career Bootcamp with UDJ UD isn't some random speaker. He's a senior product manager and an international student himself. In his sessions, he covers everything that universities don't teach you. How to shortlist universities that fit your goals. How to build a strong LinkedIn profile. How to talk to alumni. How to find on-campus jobs. And how to ace your F1 visa interview. He breaks it all down, step by step. One of his quotes that changed me was, "Your network is your net worth. Start building it before you land." I started reaching out to alumni that week, and one of those connections eventually helped me land my internship. Part 7, Life After Landing in the U.S. Let's be real. Studying abroad isn't all sunshine and coffee shops. There are hard days. The first month was lonely. The weather felt like another planet. Sometimes I questioned my decision, but then I remembered why I came. I joined student clubs, made friends from 5 different countries, and started a small YouTube vlog to document my journey. That sense of purpose kept me grounded. Part 8, Understanding Loan. Repayment. MPOWER makes repayment surprisingly flexible. You can choose between 2 options. Start small payments while studying, recommended, or begin full payments 6 months after graduation. They even allow international payment methods and auto-pay discounts. The key? Start early. Even $50 a month while studying makes a huge difference later. And the best part? You'll always have access to a transparent dashboard showing every transaction. Part 9, the referral program, free money. All right, let's talk about the fun part. Earning money while helping others. Powers Refer. Reward. Repeat program lets you earn $300 for every friend you help get approved. Here's how you do it. Share your referral link or code. Your friend applies and gets approved. You both win. Simple. No limit to how many you can refer. My code is abiymwvf, that's abiymwvf. If you use it, you'll support my work and get access to the same benefits I had. Part 10, my honest advice to you. Before I end, I want to share some truth from experience. If you're scared to start, that's normal. If you think you're not qualified enough, you are. If you think it's too late, it's not. Every student you admire was once just a beginner filling out an online form. The only difference is they hit submit. So start, apply, don't wait for permission. The future doesn't reward perfection, it rewards action. Part 11, your takeoff checklist. Before we wrap up, let's recap your flight MPOWER checklist. Choose a program under 2 years, preferably STEM. Prepare your documents, passport, admission letter, resume. Apply at MPOWERfinancing.com. Use referral code abiymwvf. Attend UDJ's Career Boot Camp. Start networking before you fly. Stay consistent and share your journey. Do this, and I promise your life will change in ways you can't imagine. Part 12, final words. My name is Mary, a fellow international student who once doubted, applied, and finally took off. If I could get an $89,000 loan without collateral, so can you. So go, take your shot. Use my referral code abiymwvf, apply today, and I'll see you soon on Flight MPOWER. Safe travels, and remember, dreams don't expire.